Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits without butter. Press cold vegetable shortening into flour until it resembles coarse crumbs, then add ice water and fold gently. Chill briefly, then roll and cut without overworking to keep them tender. Bake at a steady oven temperature until golden and puffed, then brush with oil or a flavored glaze for shine and extra flavor. Pick the right fat depending on flavor and texture goals when you make biscuits without butter. Shortening gives the most authentic lift and flake, while olive oil suits savory biscuits with herbs or cheese. Coconut oil brings a subtle sweetness and a lovely golden crust for sweeter variations. Measure fats cold and distribute them quickly through the flour to prevent greasiness and ensure tender layers during baking. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy making batches of biscuits without butter for breakfasts or lunches, consider leak-proof meal prep containers to store and transport them safely. They prevent spills, keep pastries crisp, and lengthen freshness when you portion meals. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Technique matters more than ingredients when you make biscuits without butter, so keep everything cold and move quickly. Use a light touch when mixing and folding to avoid activating too much gluten, and press or roll the dough evenly for uniform rise. Space cut rounds close so they rise tall rather than spread, and watch for a golden edge and a slightly springy center as the cue to pull them from the oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.